Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekday Nights with Jamila H. So for tonight's episode, let's talk about the revolutionary frontless, backless, strapless bra that's actually breaking the internet. Basically, this is an all-in-one bra that claims to enhance your cleavage while remaining supportive and invisible, allowing us to wear anything sexy, achieving this no bra look. Before I was introduced to this product, I was actually using my all-time favorite sticky bra from Women's Secret. Yes, it's been used and abused. I was actually using this brand for about 4 to 5 years until I noticed like my skin starts to get really sensitive because of the stickers. Until I was like complaining about it on my stream, then my friend was like, why don't you try Mrs. Kisses? And I was like, what's that? So when I went to their website, I was like, wow, this is quite interesting. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna fucking buy this. You know what I'm saying? Each kit includes the bra, silicone stickers, a set standard size volumizing pads, an optional strap, and a drawstring travel bag. They have 3 options to choose from. One is shallow plunge, which is 2 inches plunge. That's perfect for crop or like tight fitting tops and dresses. The second one is moderate plunge, which is like about 4 inches plunge. So this is perfect if you have a neckline that plunges mid torsos. And the last one is deep plunge, which is like 6 inches plunge. Perfect if you have necklines plunges down to your belly button. What I'm currently using at the moment is this shallow plunge, so I feel like this is the perfect one for me. It actually goes down to like just right above my waistline, so I think this could be like a shallow moderate, you know, like plunge for me. And based on Mrs. Kisses, they recommend the moderate plunge, but I personally recommend the shallow one, especially if you're Asian, like you're around 5'4", around that height, and if you have a short torso, I would definitely recommend the shallow plunge. This bra kit is actually $125. So if you're broke, I'm sorry to say, but you're gonna have to skip on this video. But if you're actually interested in this product, please do continue. This is the most perfect product for your boobies if you want them to look perky. Like, I've been struggling almost all of my life trying to find the right bra for my boobs, because obviously it's big, and if you want to wear like strapless bra, it just doesn't work. Like if you have probably about B to B above, it's a struggle. Like, you know it. Okay, let's move on to the pros and cons. Okay, pros, obviously having frontless, being able to like wear plunging neckline, backless for backless tops and dresses, and strapless for strapless bras and dresses as well. No stickers, because obviously stickers can irritate your skin, especially your nipple area, after a long period of time. Also waterproof, you can basically wear it to the beach, like under your swimsuit, and it's not gonna ruin your bra. And lastly, the most amazing thing for this brand is actually the customer service. Like, you can basically call customer support if you're having problems with your product. Let's move on to the cons. Okay, you cannot be wearing this for a long period of time. Like, I would personally just recommend you using this if you really need to, like if you're going out for an event, or you're going for a photo shoot, or you just need a little push. But if you're just chilling, or like you want to be comfortable, this is not built for it. Another thing that I don't like about this product is that, well, I know it does support your boobies, but it actually rubbed my skin raw on the side of my breast. So basically it actually ripped my skin open. Like, now it's actually healing up, but it was really bad. It was my fault, because as soon as I got the product, I was so excited, and I was wearing it for like more than 24 hours, even in my sleep. So that's what I got. Never ever do that, please. Don't ever do that. But it was also my mistake. I didn't know like you couldn't wear this all day, all night, you know. Anyways, but other than that, I feel like this product is an amazing product. This is definitely something that you should have in your closet. You're definitely gonna need it at some point in life. You will. And I personally think that $125 is worth buying, because obviously you can actually keep it for a long period of time. And like sticky bras, like you're gonna have to replace them when the stickiness is not sticking enough, you know. And to be honest, I actually paid like 165 or 170 because I'm all the way outside United States. So it's definitely worth the money that I paid for. So even if it's $200, well, $200 is a little bit too much, but $165, $170, I would definitely buy it. Anyways, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.